guys, you're welcome back to Time with Jorcyils. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. How you all doing? I hope you're staying safe. Okay guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing us how to make delicious shawarma. Yes, and these are the ingredients we need. We need 1 kg tender chicken breast. We need 2 tablespoons black pepper. We need salt, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 2 tablespoons Suya spice, 1 tablespoon oregano, 3 tablespoons smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons onions powder. So I'll just combine all the ingredients together. Onions powder, the smoked paprika, the salt, the cubes, chicken bouillon cubes, the Suya spice, okay, oregano. So I just mix because I want it to be a bit spicy, so I had hot pepper. This pepper is really spicy, so I just add a little, and of course my ever ready chicken stock. So I just mix them together, then I put on my glove and wash my hands. Then I'm going to just add it to the chicken to marinate it. At the end of the day, I didn't use all the spices, so if you want it to be very spicy, you can decide to add all. So I just add a little vegetable oil like so to marinate. Then I cover with a cling film and leave to marinate for 1 hour or more. Because of this video, it's better to leave it overnight, but I couldn't. So I'm just going to slice my cabbage and grate my carrots and cucumber. Searching for the answer to our trials. We came so far through our weakness. We found love, even the stars between us won't marry us. And I just slice a little onion, so I'm going to add onion. So for my shawarma sauce, I added 1 cup of ketchup. So I'm already used to it, so I know how to gauge it. So you can use your measurement cup to get it. 1/2 cup of ketchup and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. So for the sweet chili sauce, I added 2 tablespoons. Okay, now I'm just going to add 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. This is 1 tablespoon, so you can see I didn't use all. So I'm just going to mix them. This is our shawarma sauce. Alright, for the chicken, I'm just going to grill it like this. I'm using my grilling pan. This pan is really very good. It's non-stick and it's a granite pan also. Okay, so from time to time I just switch side. I think after like 5 minutes or 3 minutes, you come back and turn like this. Good, until it's fully ready. Okay, so our chicken is grilled, So I just cut them into tiny pieces like this, small piece. So for our sausage, I also did the same thing. I just grilled it until it's fully ready. Now it's ready, so it's time to wrap our shawarma. So before that, I just mixed the vegetables, the carrots, the cabbage, onions, cucumber. Then I added little from the shawarma sauce I made earlier. Onion, cucumber. My kids will say cucumber. Anyone know? So we just mix, combine them. Then I add from the shawarma sauce. Just mix them, combine them together, mix until it's well combined. So we just set it aside then. So I'm using these tortilla wraps as my shawarma wrap, okay? So you can also use any other wrap that you like, okay? So I'm using this. Now time to add the chicken like this. Then we'll add our vegetable mixture. Then we'll add our sausage. And wrap it like this. So this first wrapping, I didn't really do it well, so I'm going to show us again the better way, but this is good. Then I'll set it aside. Okay, now I'm going to show us the clearer view of how to wrap it. Okay, see, first of all, tucking the sides like this. Okay, be careful, the wrap is very thin, it can easily tear, so make sure as you are wrapping you tuck in the sides like this.
No words can change the future of us.
Yeah, this is perfect. So I'm just going to seal the sides using my grilling pan. Okay. Alright guys, if you've stayed to the end of this video, if you've stayed up to this time, I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, okay? And also don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you will be the first person to get alert whenever I post any video. Alright, so do try this recipe and tell me your results. Alright, it's time to slice up our shawarma. This is so delicious, guys. Please do try this recipe and give me your feedback. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, remain blessed. See you on our next video. Bye.